Hey everyone, Jasmine here. So as travel restrictions are being slowly lifted around the world, a lot of people are planning their next trips and asking about travel insurance. So if you already have travel insurance, here are some answers to commonly asked questions regarding COVID-19. Martin Nolan, the Senior Director of Legal and Public Regulatory Affairs at Skyscanner, has shared some information in regards to frequently asked questions about travel insurance, and I'm gonna break it down for you in this video. If you wanna read his responses in detail, I've linked the article in the description below. All right, so let's just get right into it. Number one, will I be covered for coronavirus cancellations with an existing travel insurance policy? The short answer is yes. If you purchased your travel insurance policy before COVID-19 and shelter in place, you will be covered. The World Health Organization declared coronavirus as a pandemic on March 12th of 2020. So if you purchased your travel insurance policy before that date, you can assume that you will be covered. But definitely still make sure to check with your insurer because the dates may vary. Number two, how can I check if my policy has changed due to coronavirus? The short answer is to check with your insurance provider. Most insurance providers are giving updates on how COVID-19 is affecting future travel plans, but some existing policies have new strict cutoff dates. So make sure to check your insurance policy and make your claim for compensation before it's too late. Number three, will my travel insurance cover me if I go to an affected region? The short answer is no. So if you one, booked a trip, or two, took out travel insurance after coronavirus was declared a pandemic, you are very unlikely to be covered. Number four, would I be covered for coronavirus if I buy my travel insurance now? The short answer is no. Since coronavirus became a known event, it's just going to be very unlikely for a travel insurance provider to cover you for coronavirus. And keep in mind that the government is still advising against traveling to certain destinations. Number five, can I cancel my travel insurance policy if I can't travel? The short answer is most likely. I think that the most important takeaway from this video is to just check with your travel insurance provider for the most accurate information for your certain situation. But if you bought travel insurance prior to the pandemic and now you can't travel because of the travel restrictions, then you should be able to cancel your policy. But definitely look into your pending claims, because if you cancel your travel insurance policy and have outstanding pending claims, then those pending claims will be nullified if you cancel your travel insurance policy. Remember that if you do decide to travel, to stay safe and follow COVID guidelines, as we are still in the middle of this pandemic. If you have any other questions, you can read the full article below, and you can also check in with your insurer to have the most accurate information about your own policy.